Meaning of ible.
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 Ible. The suffix ible is used in English to form adjectives that indicate the possibility or capacity for something. It comes from the Latin suffix ibilus, which has a similar meaning. Words that end in ible often describe things that are susceptible to something or capable of being done. For example, flexible describes something that can be bent easily, while credible describes something that can be believed. Overall, the suffix ible is a useful tool for creating adjectives that convey a sense of capability or possibility.